Wow.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is my bike,
The Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidson.
How much is the bike like this?
अभी तो we are alone. My wife is not home,
Okay.
so we are allowed to move with our shoes on the carpet. If she was home, she would have killed me.
Oh, okay. Sure. How much would it be if you have to buy this house?
So Gaurav, after what income did you start feeling rich?
There is no income when you feel rich. जितना भी आपके पास है, आपको हमेशा और चाहिए होता है. That is human nature.
Even now, do you feel that?
That I'm not rich?
हाँ.
No, I'm rich.
But isn't there like a minimum amount of money that you definitely need to be happy, according to you?
Trust me यार, जो लोग बिना पैसे के भी रह रहे हैं, वो भी खुश है आपसे. जो 100 करोड़ लेके भी बैठा हुआ है ना, वो खुश नहीं है.
How much were you making as a pilot at your peak?
Around.
Oh, इसको कहना है. सब कुछ.
अरे और क्या यार.
So this house right now, like you're staying on rent?
Yeah.
Like what is the rent of this house?
Hey, what's
Hey,
up?
Sharan, come. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome
I
to
hope
my
I'm
house.
not disturbing you.
नहीं, come.
How do we check out the house?
You want to check out my house?
Yeah, I want to check out your
Give me
house.
the camera, come.
Okay, your side.
Welcome, Sharan. So I'll give you a house tour. This area, this is the guest area.
Okay.
Personally, जब हमें TV देखना होता है, so probably it's a big game tonight.
Okay. Yes.
Finals, so we'll watch
course.
it here. You want to see the lawn also?
Yeah, sure.
Come. जहाँ हम पहले फ्लैट्स में थे ना,
हाँ.
so हमें सन नहीं मिलता था, तो वो बहुत एक मतलब we like to have sun.
Correct.
तो यहाँ पे हम बैठते हैं, थोड़ा सा कट जाता है, अच्छा रहता है. So this is the main entrance. This whole interiors, everything is done by my wife. Zero contribution मेरा यहाँ पे. And this is also another small area where we rest. अभी तो we are alone. My wife is not home.
Okay.
So we are allowed to move with our shoes on the carpet. If she was home, she would have killed you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is my bike,
Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidson. But this is, I love this bike. It's very powerful, 1700 cc.
How much is the bike like this?
This is actually 17 lakhs.
17 lakhs.
17, 18 lakhs. Yeah.
Dog friendly?
Yeah, very friendly. Mau? हाँ. Good boy. तो ये हम लोग गार्डनिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं बेसिकली. ये मैंगो ट्री है ये वाला. You see the lemons at the mangoes at the top?
Yeah.
All the ripe ones have fallen down, so we pick the ripe ones. ये वाले. So usually when my parents come, then we use all 3 rooms. Otherwise we don't use. Come. So this is another balcony.
How much would it be if you have to buy this house?
Bro, this we tried buying, but the owner didn't sell it to us.
So what would be the value?
They were asking for 5.5. We were ready to pay 6 also, but he didn't give.
He didn't give. Wow. But 5.5 crores में ये बंगलो मिलेगा.
हाँ.
And then wait, 5.5 crore. Rent को बहुत कम हो गया फिर. 70,000 into 12 is 8
No,
lakhs.
sorry. 5.5 का लैंड है यहाँ पे. Sorry, 5.56 का लैंड रेट है.
हाँ.
Because पीछे एक खाली भी था, हमने वो भी देखा
लेकिन
था.
रेंट तो बहुत कम हो गया ना. कुछ नहीं है रेंट.
हाँ.
70,000
ये एरिया थोड़ा सा ओल्ड गुड़गांव में आता है.
मतलब 70,000 रेंट मतलब 7 लाख हो
नहीं,
गया.
85 ना.
10 लाख divided by 5 crore
हाँ.
is around 2.5. हाँ, ठीक हो गया.
ठीक हो गया ना?
हाँ, ठीक.
No mistake, right?
2% correct हो गया.
So this is our small temple praying area, and then ये open area है. I put this up sometimes if I want to shoot something, I pull it down.
For shooting.
For shooting, I pull it down and I shoot. This is my office on the left. So majority of my time I spend here. This is my home office, मतलब Flying Beast office कह लो.
हाँ.
Beast Life का office,
आसपास है.
Rosier का office, Indrapuram का.
So that is also separate office.
separate office. This is the master bedroom. This has a
high ceiling.
हाँ, they have a high ceiling. When you have a own flat तो वो liberty रहती ना आपके पास. The master bedroom का dressing. But this is a big. This is almost like a room only. In Mumbai flats, this is a room, na?
Yeah.
This area.
And mine is like this only. Cool. Let's do the podcast.
Sure. Let's start.
You have 15-20 minutes?
Yeah, for you
Kids won't
anything.
disturb?
Yeah.
You sure?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Mr. Gaurav Taneja, you are a pilot, a fitness influencer, you are an IITian, and one of the biggest influencers with crores of followers. Achieving just one of these things is a difficult thing to do. How were you able to do all of these things in one lifetime? What do you think you have inside of you that allows you to do all of these things?
Uh, just a hunger, and when I sit idle, I feel very irritated. So the days don't have much work. When I go to bed, I feel I don't get a good sleep that day.
So then you got into IIT and you got into civil engineering, if I'm not wrong, right? After that, what was your first salary and what was the job?
After engineering, I went to US. I did my flying.
Oh, immediately after engineering, you went to
yeah,
US.
Yeah, I didn't sit for placement.
Okay.
So over there, I did my instructor's license. So then I was teaching other Indian students who were coming there.
So what was the first salary?
यार over there I didn't get paid because जो मेरा credit था स्कूल को मैंने उसमें adjust कर लिया था थोड़ा बहुत. And then I came back. Then I was a flying instructor in Sharjah. Okay. So my first salary was around 6,000 dirhams.
Per month? That was how much in rupees?
At that time, dirham was around 13, 14.
Okay. So about
7 lakh.
7 lakhs a month.
6.5, 7 lakh.
That was your first salary?
Huh.
Is that a lot of money in Sharjah?
Not a lot of money, but I could save because my family was in Dubai, so I used to do back and forth. I used to stay there. खाना भी घर पे खाते थे, कार भी थी तो.
So you mentioned that you came from a middle class background. So how did your family come to Dubai?
So my dad was in a bank.
Okay.
उनका ट्रांसफ़र हो गया था दुबई 2000. When I was in 12th, he got transferred. 2002.
Did that feel like a lottery for the family? Like Dubai mein aana?
Yeah. Lottery.
And you also mentioned that immediately after IIT, you went to study, become a pilot.
Yes.
I heard that to be a pilot, you need to have crores of rupees for the education. So how did you manage that?
Oh no, at that time, crores तो नहीं चाहिए थे, but lakhs तो चाहिए होते थे.
हाँ.
So I finished my flying in around 40 lakhs. Half Papa sponsored.
Half Papa sponsored.
Loan.
Half loan.
Yeah.
So Gaurav, after what income did you start feeling rich? Or did you start feeling that, okay, now I have enough money?
There is no income when you feel rich. There is no income when you feel rich. जितना भी आपके पास है आपको हमेशा और चाहिए होता है. That is human nature.
Even now you feel that?
Huh?
Even now do you feel that?
That I'm not rich?
Huh.
No, I'm rich.
So what do you mean by income then?
Because I've taught myself this, that money will not make you happy. कितना भी आप कमा लीजिए.
When did you realize this?
Recently.
Recently? Is there a story behind that?
What happened is, I think you are very weak to make that decision.
You are very weak.
Everybody is very weak. जो अरे हिंदी में मन बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं मन को?
Mind, no?
नहीं, माइंड इज दिमाग. मन को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? कॉन्शियस.
तो मन नहीं बोल दो ना.
मन ही बोल देते.
हाँ, मन ही बोल.
सो मन कमीना है. वो आपको रुकने नहीं देगा. वो आपको फंसाए रहता है.
क्या पैसे फंसाएगा?
हाँ, पैसे में. और
It's a drug, no?
It's a drug.
Yeah.
So money,
Bigger drug than alcohol or
money,
smoking.
alcohol, women, वो आपको
Everybody is addicted to this drug.
दुर्गति का आपकी फंसाया रहेगा वो मन. वो आपको निकलने नहीं देगा. ना. So
But isn't there like a minimum amount of money that you definitely need to be happy, according to you?
yeah, if I have a house, I'm sleeping under a roof. My kids are not sleeping empty stomach. I'm having good decent dal roti meal. They are going to school. I can put their. I have one decent car. ठीक है, इतना बहुत. Good house. That's it.
Beyond that, money won't give you more happiness, you're saying. It will be momentary.
Trust me यार, जो लोग बिना पैसे के भी रह रहे हैं वो भी खुश है आपसे. और जो 100 करोड़ लेके भी बैठा हुआ है ना, वो खुश नहीं है. I was very bad with investment, Sharan, till about a year ago. All my money was liquid money.
Really? Till a year ago, it was all liquid.
Year
means what?
and a half ago.
Liquid means where?
मतलब पड़ा हुआ अकाउंट में, पता ही नहीं है वो.
Savings account?
हाँ, ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ.
सब कुछ?
बहुत ज़्यादा वो FD करा ली, थोड़ा गोल्ड ले लिया बस. हाँ.
हाँ. Until last year?
Until year and a half.
Then what changed you? How did you become better?
Watching your videos.
Thank you.
Then watching. नहीं, but एक realization तो था कि यार price of everything is going up. और मेरा money तो वैसे ही पड़ा हुआ है.
मैंने कोविड में इतना रिटर्न्स आ गया. If you had put, डबल हो जाता पैसे.
लेकिन यार हर चीज़ का टाइम होता है. क्या रिग्रेट करना. मतलब अगर उस समय कर देता तो आज जितना अच्छा रिटर्न मिलना शायद वो ना मिलता ना. वो भी है.
So you started your channel in 2017.
Correct.
Right?
2016. Fitness in 2016 December. The vlogging in 2017 December.
Okay. So fast forward to today. Can you talk about all your sources of income?
When I started, I was working, and then YouTube was there, so there was a parallel income, and then
Working as in pilot?
pilot and
YouTube income.
in YouTube income.
Huh.
So initially, I didn't have that pressure to make content or do deals which I don't like, because एक source of income already था. That was a good salary. Me and my wife both were working. Then people used to ask me क्या full time कब करोगे YouTube. So I said कि जब this income is equal to this income, then maybe I'll switch full time to YouTube. But उस समय वो था नहीं equal.
Okay.
And then
How much were you making as a pilot at your peak?
On a good month when I do 100 plus hours, so 70 hours का contract होता है.
Okay.
So if you fly 40, 50, 60, whatever, you get paid for 70. Above 70, there's hourly pay for extra time or overtime. So if you do 100 hours, you can make around 6 lakhs, 6.3
Okay. This is in India only.
in India only, in hand.
Okay. And 100 hours you're in the air
100 hours you are in the air. That's a lot.
in a month.
In a month. So that equates to about duty of around 180 hours. Flying hours of 100 hours, but when you are on ground preparing your box or in the dispatch,
Okay.
checking the weather or briefing the cabin crew.
Okay.
So that is duty. Flying is totally when the aircraft is flying, chocks on to chocks off.
So you were working this long. Why? Because you had time or because you wanted
I
money?
was unmarried.
Okay.
I just got upgraded to captain. So once you become a captain, you get paid much more for the exact same amount of hours you spend in the air. As a first officer, you get paid little less.
So this was 6 lakhs a month.
Salary in hand was around 4.3, 4.4.
Okay. So parallelly there was YouTube income also.
Correct.
And you were thinking once the YouTube income matches this, then you will become full-time
So
YouTuber.
so this is the constant income. YouTube income was going like this. Once it struck both are equal, this will only go up.
So how many years did it take for it to become equal?
2.5 years,
2.5 years.
3 years.
Mine,
Initially, the growth is very slow.
I also had a similar rule that once it becomes equal. But I was making around 80,000 a month in my last job. So it reached, the YouTube income quickly reached 80,000 a month. So I was still not confident. Only once it became 10 times, then I got the confidence. Now I can leave my job.
Yeah.
So then after that, by then I'm assuming your YouTube income was equivalent to the pilot income. So you didn't really care too much.
I love flying. I still do. I go to US. I have my US license intact. I keep that current. So I.
But you don't do it from a job point of view.
No, not
you do it
for
from your own personal satisfaction.
Personal satisfaction and love for flying, love for aviation. उसीलिए IT छोड़ी दी ना. तो एक ड्रीम था तो उसको परस्यू में करता रहता हूँ.
So then after that, can you tell me about how the YouTube income kept increasing? Like, can you tell the trajectory?
हाँ, YouTube income बढ़ती रही. लॉकडाउन में I used to make travel videos.
Okay.
तो जिस दिन लॉकडाउन लगा था उसके एक दिन पहले was my last flight. I did Chennai, Delhi. The only regret I have in my life is I didn't knew that will be my last flight.
Okay.
So एक होता है ना फेयरवेल मिलता है सबको. I didn't get a farewell. So वो मेरे को बहुत रिग्रेट है कि अगर वो होता कि वो मेरी लास्ट फ्लाइट है तो मैं उसको उतना और इन्जॉय करता कि यार दिस इज़ माई लास्ट लैंडिंग और दिस इज़ माई लास्ट फ्लाइट. बट वो हुआ नहीं. दैट वॉज माई लास्ट फ्लाइट. उसके बाद जस्ट लॉकडाउन लग गया था. एंड लॉकडाउन में आई थॉट आई विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज आप घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते. मोस्टली मैं आई वॉज डूइंग ट्रैवल कॉन्टेंट व्लॉग एंड नॉट फैमिली व्लॉग्स. बट 3-4 दिन हुए फिर मेरी तन्मय से बात हुई थी.
तन्मय भट्ट.
हाँ. मैंने कहा यार क्या करना चाहिए. वो कहते नहीं यार people love you more than as a person, as a personality, more than where you travel to. आप करो. तो फिर मैंने कहा चल ट्राई करते हैं. फिर 1 day I did, 2nd day I did. फिर वो स्टोरी बनती गई every day. Then people were coming back to watch what happened. It became an episode, a daily.
You were showing your life.
A live. It's like a reality TV which comes every day. And then the growth skyrocketed. मतलब वो ऐसा ग्राफ जा रहा था वो सीधा.
What are the subscribers and then how it shot up?
3 million होगा, 3.5 million होगा. And
It was 3.5 million.
but I was getting around 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs every month. Subscribers, 3.5 lakhs.
Adding 3.5 lakh, 4 lakh subscribers every month.
Good month. 2 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs every
Okay.
month.
And today it is
Close to 9.
9
Close
million.
to 9.
So 10 million, then there will be a big celebration for that also.
Now I don't उतना वो नहीं है.
But
पहले
can you,
first
like-
million is
Exactly, right? Like I still remember, for me, the joy of the first 10,000 only was
first 10,000 was the
Was the
best.
biggest,
It
right?
was on my fitness channel. You feel how you have become a star.
correct. First 10,000 was the happiest.
happiest.
Correct.
हाँ.
No?
अरे I remember I was going somewhere, गाना full loud करके पंजाबी song और driving.
Because that is the moment you became something
हाँ.
from a nobody.
Correct.
Yeah. Today, if I ask you, what are your sources of income? किधर से पैसे आता है?
ठीक है. So YouTube. हाँ.
एक YouTube इनकम हो गया, फिर और क्या है?
YouTube इनकम हो गया, ब्रांड डील्स हो गए.
ठीक है.
एक शॉर्ट टर्म ब्रांड डील्स होते हैं, एक लॉन्ग टर्म ब्रांड डील्स होते हैं.
हाँ.
Then I have investments in my company which I work for. So one is
Can you give an example?
हाँ, तो प्रोटीन ब्रांड हमने लॉन्च की थी, which is Beast Life. We are making gym supplements, whey protein,
Okay.
BCAA, creatine.
Okay.
एक है हमारी ब्रांड रोजियर फूड्स.
हाँ, वो recently आपने launch किया ना?
हाँ, 2-3 महीने हो गए. So
That you bought a farm. for
yes, we
10
bought a
crore.
farm. We invested a lot of money there.
So like you bought a farm in Delhi only?
No, it's in UP.
UP. And I saw your video. You invested 10 crores in that
Yeah,
farm.
yeah.
So like, what is that like? Is it like, how many acres of land is it?
So that farm was operational. किसी के पास था वो. कोविड में उनसे नहीं चला. कोविड में बंद कर दिया उन्होंने. So for 2.5 years it was shut. Then we got the farm from those people. So it's a huge farm. Like we are just utilizing 1/3 of the capacity now. So expansion के लिए उतना छोड़ा हुआ है. तो
You're
farm.
using just 1/3 of the capacity?
Yeah.
So these are all your sources of income.
Yeah.
So this house right now, like you're staying on rent?
Yeah.
Like what is the rent of this house?
Around 85 to 90.
85 to 90. And this is like a, how many BHK bungalow, no? This is.
It's a bungalow, so we have 2 bedrooms नीचे, 1 master bed ऊपर, एक मेरा ऑफिस है,
Okay.
and we have a garden front and back. And this
Garden
is
है,
the living
front
area,
and back.
Front and back. Plus a garage and a walkway बोलेंगे इसको.
हाँ.
Driveway.
So very affordable compared to Bangalore and
Yeah, very affordable.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
So are you thinking of buying a house anytime
हाँ,
soon?
we already have a house. We have a land. So ये जो owners हैं, they said कि 1 साल बाद हमको खाली करना है. So we will build our own place there and we'll move there.
Where in
In
Gurgaon?
Gurgaon only.
Like what, is there like a dream vision of how the house will be?
हाँ, Ritu takes care of that. I'm very bad in that also. Architect, this all living room, this all everything, couches, carpets. She decides everything. She asked me, how's it? I said it's not good. And she said, you don't know anything. Shut up. तो आता वही है जो वो कहती है.
So Gaurav, like for somebody who is, let's say you're 25 years old today and you're starting from zero in today's India, how would you build your career so that you become a millionaire by the time you turn 30?
Not just social media, any career, right?
Anything. Like,
So
today's world.
one advice I can surely give is, it sounds like a very cliche advice, but आपको जिस चीज़ में पैशन है ना वो करो. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग हो, थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो और रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी है आप में, ट्राई टू डू समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. कुछ साइड हसल भी आप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जॉब में एक स्टैग्नेशन आ जाता है और फिर ना काम भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. इसमें काम ज़्यादा है, बट द रिवॉर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो एक्सपोनेंशियल व्हेन यू वर्क फॉर योर सेल्फ. हाँ, तो माई होल फैमिली, इवन मदर साइड एंड फादर साइड, कोई बिजनेस में नहीं है, सब जॉब्स ही करते हैं. तो ये मेरी फैमिली के लिए बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन था कि मैं जॉब छोड़ दूँ. माई डैड वॉज कि यार एरेशिया केस मत करो, डोंट फाइट विद देम, बिग कॉर्पोरेट है, यू विल लूज़ योर जॉब. जॉब के बिना करियर नहीं होता, स्टेबल इनकम होती है, बिजनेस में रिस्क होता है. यूट्यूब में तुम्हें आज लोग देख रहे हैं, कल नहीं देखेंगे, फिर क्या करोगे? आज तुम बहुत आसमान पे चढ़ रहे हो, इतने मिलियन व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, इतना पैसा आ रहा है, कल को ये सब नहीं होगा तो क्या करोगे? वो भी सही थे, उनकी बड़ी जेन्युइन कंसर्न थी. मे बी इफ़ आई वॉज एट हिज प्लेस आई वुड ऑल्सो, चाइल्ड को प्रोटेक्ट करने की होती ना, तो वो उनमें थी. शुरू में तो यार आई नेवर यूज्ड टू अर्न एनीथिंग फ्रॉम माई फिटनेस चैनल, तो ही नेवर यूज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कर क्या रहा है. फ्लाइंग करके आया है, फिर जिम करेगा, फिर वहाँ शूट करेगा, फिर घर पे आकर एडिट करेगा. सो आई यूज्ड टू एडिट माई ओन वीडियोज टिल अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड नो मतलब $0.39 आ रहे हैं, $1 आ रहा है, उसको तुम क्या ही निकालोगे बैंक.
तो एडसेंस के.
हाँ. तो उनको तो समझ में नहीं आता था कि इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहा है. कहते थे मतलब सब सो गए, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, उठते थे वॉशरूम ब्रेक लेने के लिए, अरे सो जा, क्या कर रहा है यार, सुबह जाना भी है. तो उनको कभी समझ में नहीं आया. बट हाँ, once it takes off, then for me, I've been lucky. If I was not, that AirAsia case wouldn't have happened and I was not suspended from my job, I would still be trying to manage both of my jobs and thinking I can manage. So let's say you are at 2x both, 4x. But once, so you're riding on two boats. Once you decide to let go of one boat and take a leap of faith and then you say कि दोनों पैर आपने इस बोट पे रख दिए, वो 2x नहीं रहता, वो 20 में नहीं रहता, वो 200x चला जाता.
तो आपका वैसा ही हुआ.
हाँ.
200x हुआ.
तो कैलकुलेशन कर रहा दिमाग में. No, I need one advice from you. In future, when we decide to raise money, if you go to investor, they give money definitely. But they also do a lot of कि यार आप ये मत करो, वो मत करो. आपके वर्किंग स्टाइल को क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ उससे, या फिर आपको लगा था यार मुझे ये नहीं करना, मैं क्यों करूँ, वो क्या, या फिर दे पुट प्रेशर ऑन यू कि रेवेन्यू लाओ भाई, रेवेन्यू लाओ, क्योंकि उनका पैसा तभी बनेगा.
It depends on whose money you're taking. If you're taking an individual's money, like Nikhil Kamath was an individual, he's putting his own money.
Okay.
So they will not put too much pressure.
Okay.
In fact, he has never called me only to tell ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, like that. But if you take a VC money, VC is a venture capital. It is not their own money. They have raised money from somebody else.
Yeah.
So they are called LPs who they have raised money from. So they will put pressure on you because they have target that 7 साल में इतना returns होना चाहिए. So 7 साल में मुझे exit चाहिए. So they will put pressure on you because they don't care about you.
Correct.
They are looking at you as one part of their big portfolio. तो घी का startup, how did you get the idea?
We launched it for a cooking purpose or for a healthy purpose कि आप खाएंगे. This has a lot of butyric acid which your gut bacteria flourishes in butyric acid. When there was a study done कि जो tribes है ना इंडिया की, एक जम्मू में है, एक हिमाचल के पहाड़ों में है, मेघालय के पास जो untouched, not aware what Maggi is, what chocolate is, जो अपना खाना खाते हैं, पेड़ से थोड़ा खा लिया, तो उनका gut microbiome का टेस्ट हुआ, उनका वैल्यू है 10 out of 10. एवरेज इंडिविजुअल लिविंग इन अ सिटी, मी एंड यू, कितना आएगा हमारा बताओ?
4? 2.
देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गट माइक्रोबायोम्स और गट बैक्टीरिया विच हैव बीन एक्सटेंट नाउ, है ही नहीं हमारे गट में, वो खो ही गए हैं
क्योंकि हम ये एंटीबायोटिक सब खाते हैं.
एंटीबायोटिक से बहुत डैमेज होता है,
फुल डैमेज होता है.
प्रोसेस फूड्स खाते हैं,
तो ये घी खाना पड़ेगा टू रिप्लेनिश दैट.
हाँ, इट वंस आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड कि वंस यू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, फर्स्ट 1 spoon of ghee, empty stomach. So it makes a good lining in your stomach, intestine and gut, made by traditional Bellona method.
Can I eat now?
Yeah.
I've had breakfast. Can I still eat?
Yeah, you can have.
Let's eat.
1 spoon देना. You tell me the taste also. Yeah, in the past have you had ghee?
Pure ghee in my spoon? Never.
Try it.
I've eaten with chicken ghee roast.
आप इसको try करो आप. You take, इसको swirl कर लो bottom से. Take the little solid part and then you will like.
क्या करना है पहले?
एक बार नीचे से हिला देना.
ओह, इसको खाना है? सब कुछ?
अरे और क्या यार. कैसा लगा?
It's very neutral taste.
Neutral taste.
Yeah.
एंड आपके घर में बनता है घी पहले जब आप छोटे थे, मे बी योर ग्रैंड मदर?
No, I mean I don't remember, but I'm definitely sure mom used to not make. Grandmother probably made. So this every day, 1 in the morning.
Empty stomach. Trust me.
Empty stomach.
You have for a week or 10 days.
So it'll help my gut health.
Gut health, and in the morning when you pass motion, you will feel the difference. You'll call me and thank me.
All right. Let's wrap this up. Cool. Thank you so much for having me in your house. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.